Hi GCC Fitness Center students, my name's Meg and I'll be your instructor for your summer session of your Fitness Center course. I just wanted to use this video to help get you acquainted with how to use Canvas and some basics of the course. So the first thing about the Fitness Center course this summer that's a little bit different than in the past is the Fitness Center is actually open now. Starting June 1st, the Fitness Centers on both the GCC Main and GCC North campuses will be open. Please remember that there are COVID restrictions in effect, and so we would want you to visit the GCC Fitness Center website. It looks like this, and I have a link in Canvas for you. This tells you about the Fitness Center hours of operation as well as the health and safety information. So what COVID protocols are in place. And this will be up to date as things may change or progress throughout the summer session. Okay, so at the current time, you are required to wear a face mask the entire time. You're in the Fitness Center as well as on campus, and also practice social distancing. So if you would like to use the GCC North or Main fitness centers, you are welcome to. However, for those of you who may have another gym that you've been going to or prefer to still continue to work out at home or go hiking, any of those options are perfect, and you can still earn hours for this course. So it's a little bit of a mix. So everyone in the course will be participating in an online platform. However, some of you may be actually visiting the campus anytime the fitness centers are open, and some of you may be just choosing to do workouts on your own. Okay. Either way, how you enter your hours or how you get your hours as far as earn credit towards your final grade will remain the same. All of you will still be required to turn in a physical activity quiz for every hour of exercise that you do. And we'll get into that in just a minute. So when you open up your Canvas course, this is what it should look like. We have a bunch of things over here on the left. Most important to you guys right now is the Students Resources page. Make sure if you are having any issues, need any help as far as with technology, any COVID information, anything like that, check that Student Resources page. Other really important thing is the inbox over here. You'll click on your inbox and my name is, again, Meg Rademacher. You will send me a message. That's the best way to get a hold of me throughout the semester. Okay. So getting started, how you guys are going to get started is hit your modules button over here, and you'll be taken to the orientation module. The orientation module has items that need to be completed by June 6th. If you're not active in the course by June 7th, you will be dropped from the course. Remember, this is a summer course, so it is only 5 weeks long. We do end July 1st. Okay? So if you click on the Welcome to PED 101 FL, that'll be this welcome video. The next thing, if you click on that, that will be the GCC Main and North Fitness Center information. And if you click here, it will take you to that website that I showed you that will have the most up-to-date information as far as the Main and North Fitness Centers, hours of operation, as well as COVID protocol. Okay. The next thing will be the Syllabus Acknowledgement. If you click on that, you will be taken to a link that has your syllabus on it. Your syllabus, it can be downloaded here. Most important things on the syllabus, I'm going to hit on a couple of them, that no matter where you're working out, whether it be at home, at one of our beautiful GCC fitness centers, if it's a different fitness center of your choosing, whether you're going hiking or taking yoga classes at another studio, anything that you're doing, you will have to report that on Canvas. Okay, so even though this is a hybrid course, majority of your work will still be submitted online. You'll be working out kind of in the real life environment, whether it be, again, home or the fitness centers, but everything will still be submitted on Canvas. Okay, you are required and encouraged to do roughly about 6 hours a week of work in this course. Okay, so in order to stay on track to earn your A, you will want to make sure that you're getting about 6 hours a week. Okay, so that's your syllabus acknowledgement. Again, that's mandatory. There was a short quiz after you review your syllabus. And then assumption of risk form. There is a video in here as well as word or listed instructions on how to fill that out. It is through Adobe Reader this semester. And if you don't have Adobe Reader, don't worry, there is a free download. So it takes you step by step through that. And then here's an example of an activity quiz and instructions on how you'll fill that out. And there is a video. Miss Page does that for you, a video of how you will fill out an example of an activity quiz. Okay, so each week you will be completing workouts, and this is blocked right now. It's gray, but you will see it as dark. Each week you will be required to do an academic assignment. Each one of these academic assignments focuses on something that's health and wellness related. So it might, your first week is about staying hydrated. We have another week that's about physical wellness. We have some mental wellness, some spiritual wellness, things like that throughout every week. Okay, so week one, you're going to do the staying hydrated. Generally, these are maybe short TED Talks or short videos that are online. You're going to watch them. They're usually anywhere between 5 and 15 minutes. And then you will want to, after you watch the video or read the article, then you will answer a series of questions in a quiz format. Okay? So that is required. You must do that every single week in order to stay enrolled in the course. And then in order to earn your hours for the course, you'll be filling out these activity quizzes. You can fill out up to 2 activity quizzes per day for a total of 6 per week. Okay, so you could earn 6 hours of credit towards your grade each week from activity quizzes, and then 1 from the required academic assignment. Okay, so your hours, or the hours that you want to get or you need to earn by the end of the semester, they can be found in your syllabus, which you can also find by clicking here. They're also listed under your frequently asked questions. So for this course, like I said, it is 1 credit, and the last day of this course is Thursday, July 1st. Okay, so in order to earn an A, you will want to earn 24 or more hours. A B will be 21 to 23 hours. A C will be 18 to 20 hours. And then a D is 15 to 17. I don't expect any of you to get less than an A, so just keep that 24-hour time mark in your head. Okay, so again, you can either work out at the fitness centers or at another fitness center or at home. That is up to you, but no matter where you are working out, you will always submit an activity quiz each week, or for each workout, I mean. So that may be, let's say you went walking, your accountability piece, or what you will turn in with some information about your walk, may be a screenshot of your Fitbit. That shows how long you walked. Or if you did it at the GCC Fitness Center, it may be a picture that you took on your cell phone of your total time on the treadmill. If you're doing it outside, we have some great apps for you to download. Map My Run or Map My Walk from Under Armour is great. You can download that, and then you would upload for us in that activity quiz. You would upload that accountability piece. If you're out for a hike or doing something else like that, you can always take a selfie too of you being active. And if you have questions about your activity quizzes, just send me a message over here in the inbox. I will be pretty quick to respond. Generally, I will respond. I check usually in the morning and the evenings, emails, and sometimes throughout the day as well. So just send me a message. If for some reason you don't hear back from me within 24 hours, please resend the message, and just assume that somehow it got lost in translation. Okay. I look forward to working with all of you this semester. I know it's a little bit different, kind of online, kind of in person. If you choose to go in person at the GCC Fitness Center, for those of you who don't feel comfortable going to campus yet, that is perfectly fine. Again, you can perform your workouts at home, outside, anything like that. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, always just send me a message, and I look forward to working with all of you this semester.